Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to post multiple pictures on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So to do it is quite simple. First of all, we need just click on create, write any title we want to, and find the images. Click on one image and now select others, click on add, and now you may think that you've added only one image, but that's not true. If you will turn on right, you will see that I already add 5 images. I can write body text, click on next, and here we need to find our wishable subreddit on which we want to post our images. Click on any and just simply click on post and our post will be ready. So that's all. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.